Hello, in this video I will show you how you can change calling card on Google Pixel 10. First of all, open the Contacts app. From here, open the contact that you want to change calling card. Let's take this one for example and click pencil icon on the top. Right now you are able to change the picture and calling card in this section. To change calling card, click on this right icon. Over here you can find your calling card that you want to set in your gallery, Google Photos, or you can take photo right now by using the camera. Let me take something from my gallery. Let's take this one for example, and also you can adjust the settings of you can customize this calling card over here. After that, click done in the top right corner, and you can also use as contact picture this calling card. I will skip it for now, and after that click save on the top, and basically as you can see here I have this calling card to this contact. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.